light on. Take it. If you guys haven't guessed it yet, we're on the Dwarfs mine train. We're trying to get on it all night. We're about to get on it. Hopefully it comes out. We get a little bit of dusting of rain up here. We got Marley riding with me tonight. Oh, holy moly. I don't know how it's going to come out. We'll see. A lot of shaking in this thing. Marley over here. Marley! Yeah! Moly. Woo! Yeah! I don't know how that's gonna hold. Holy moly! Yeah. You like it? Oh, you got your hands in the air and everything, huh? Stop in here for a minute. You want to go on it again, huh? You want to wait the 80 minutes again? Look at that, there we go. Who's that in there? Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs? That is it.
That is your belongings. You step out to your right.
This way.
On this side?
This side, silly.